In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter transactions in your QuickBooks Online register. This may seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to make it easier for you to manage your financial records effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll need to locate the gear icon in QuickBooks Online. This is up at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on the gear icon will bring up a menu of various options and settings you can access within the platform. What we're looking for is right here under Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your accounts. This could be anything from checking accounts, savings accounts, or any others you've set up within QuickBooks. Each account that you manage in your business will show up here, giving you a clear overview of what you have to work with. The next step is to find the specific account where you'd like to manually enter a transaction. Once you've identified that account, look to the right side of that listed account and click on View. View Register. This is where the magic happens. You'll be directed to a page that details the transactions associated with that specific account. As you look at the top left corner of the table in View, you'll notice a drop-down menu. This is an important part of entering your transaction because it dictates the type of transaction you'll be adding. Clicking on this drop-down will present you with several options such as checks, deposits, or even transfers. These are the transaction types you can manually input. Carefully select the type of transaction you wish to enter. With your transaction type chosen, it's time to fill in the necessary details. You'll typically need to include information like the transaction date, amount, and a memo if applicable. Make sure to review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. This will help keep your financial records precise and up to date. Finally, after double-checking everything, simply click Save. By doing this, you're ensuring that the transaction is securely entered into your QuickBooks Online register. And that's it. You've successfully entered a transaction manually. This process can be repeated for any other transactions you need to add, helping you maintain a thorough and accurate accounting record. I hope this guide has been helpful and has given you a clearer understanding of how to manually enter transactions in your QuickBooks Online register. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and it's an excellent way to ensure your accounts are always up to date. Feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.